Today's food is so colorful and I am overwhelmed with the flavor. Hello everyone, let me show you how I made this basmati rice and veggies. Simple and easy. Get your ingredients: basmati rice, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, carrots, onions, green peas, spring onions, sausage, sesame seed, salt, bouillon cubes, garlic, vegetable oil, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, corn flour. Start by boiling your water. Add your rinsed basmati rice. Add your salt, mix together and allow it to cook. While your rice is cooking, it's time to make your colorful veggies. Start by prepping all your veggies and onions, cutting them into big bite-sized pieces. Slice your sausages, chop your garlic, and it's time to start. Heat your pan, drizzle some vegetable oil, and add your garlic for that lovely aroma. Next, drop in your sausage, flip to fry, and in goes your chopped onions. Mix together, and the flavor here is so good. Check on the rice. It's 90% done. You can add in your green peas. Back to the sauce. Time to add the veggies. Start by adding the carrots. Mix and add the rest of the veggies, and then the spring onion, bouillon cubes. Mix together. Add your Worcestershire sauce. Add water into your corn flour and mix it into your sauce, and a very little soy sauce. Then mix it to combine all your veggies, and your veggie sauce is ready. Get ready to serve. Place your basmati rice and peas into your bowl and just add all your veggie sauce around the basmati rice. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and you're ready. This is really good and beautiful to behold, and so easy. You can recreate this recipe. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe. Have a no boring rice day. See you in my next video. Thank you.